Animal Abuse by Mackenzie, Jace, Andrew, and Braden. Have you ever abused an animal? It says stop now because it can hurt the animal's feelings. Animal abuse can hurt the environment, and animals are peaceful. So you should stop animal abuse now. These are 3 animals that have been abused.
Sometimes people do not understand what they are doing to their animals, and most of the time stuff like that happens to them, so they are taking their anger out on the animals. So stop now, please. An example, I saw a guy beating up a homeless dog. It's like the dog was screaming.
You can hurt the animal's environment and food chain. Facts. Did you know you can kill an eagle if it attacks you and not go to jail? But if the eagle did not attack you and you kill it, you can go to jail.
Did you know that if you use an animal, it can destroy the food chain and animals could evolve?
It can hurt the animal's feelings by kicking them, hitting them, abusing, putting them in cages all day, not feeding them, not exercising them, not taking them on walks. This is a picture of a dog being in a cage all day.
It's that time in the book where the authors have to say goodbye to the readers. If you forget our 3 reasons, our 3 reasons are: 1, animals are peaceful; 2, hurting animals can hurt the environment; and 3, it can hurt their feelings. How you can help tell others about animal abuse: to keep the animals safe and alive.